Hi there, just going to give you a little update on the Phaeton. So as you can see, I've got the dash in and I got the instrument cluster back in, which you do not need to remove when you take the dashboard out. Also, what you do not need to remove, which I removed, is this strip that goes along there and along here. That doesn't need to be removed. What does need to be removed is the cable. When I reassembled the cable for the hood release or the bonnet release, and it's here, this has to go to the side of the bracket, which I didn't do. Also, which is really tricky, you probably won't see because this GoPro hasn't got a light. Inside there is it's an air duct. You have to make sure they go back on properly. Also, what we got going on, we've got the fuse box. The fuse box has to go in after the foot brake pedal. Oh, what I mean is not the foot brake, the parking brake pedal. For some reason I removed it. I don't know, I don't know why I removed this, but I did. But I've got a hunch you don't need to remove that. And yeah, you've got these metal plates here, one there and one there. They're loose at the moment and they're just secured down there and down there. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm actually enjoying it, but it's another thing that kicked my ass. When I disconnected some plugs, the air conditioning module is all the way up there underneath the dash on the driver's side, and there was two plugs. Man, it's best to label the plugs when they come out. I mean, they look like they go to a module, and I was like, man, I hope it doesn't. I didn't want it to pull the dash out again, but no, sure enough, what I did was I got the part number from PartsLink 24, which I pay subscription for, put the part number in of the air conditioning module, and I counted the slots where the plugs go in, and sure enough, there was two that weren't connected because I couldn't see them properly because it was quite high up. But yeah, got those in, so I'm happy about that. Really enjoying it. That's it for now.